Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with what matters: your camera, lenses, and mounting. Attach the VR 180 rig to a stable tripod, then level it using the Bubble or Phone app so horizons stay natural. Set recording resolution to the camera's maximum and pick your aspect ratio. 16:9 yields wider view, 3:2 gives extra vertical. Lock exposure and white balance to avoid flicker when you move or light shifts. Once done, confirm audio input, on-camera mic or external recorder synced by clap. Now you start shooting with intent. Place your subject fully inside the 180-degree arc and never behind the camera, because VR 180 shows forward only. Favor static shots or slow, deliberate pans. Keep rotation below about 5 degrees per second to prevent viewer discomfort. Watch stereo convergence carefully. Adjust interaxial spacing to match subject distance so parallax stays natural. Use markers and rehearsals to keep motion predictable, and monitor exposure and audio levels. Finish by stitching and exporting correctly. Import clips into your camera vendor or compatible stitcher. Choose stereo VR 180 mode and correct sync drift or mismatched frames. Export using H.264 or H.265 at the native resolution, and make sure to embed the VR 180 metadata so platforms recognize the format. Once exported, preview in a headset to confirm framing and stereo comfort. If you see ghosting or misalignment, rerun alignment, adjust interaxial settings, or lower bitrate to reduce compression artifacts. These steps solve most final issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.